everyone, I will teach you to adjust a coil touch machine today. As you see, there are 3 touch machines, but none of them can work properly. I'm going to teach you to fix them one by one. Okay, this is the first one. Before I fix it, I have to make sure the clip cord and foot pedal are plugged well. My power supply is lighting up, so I think it works. I'm hooking the clip cord. Look, it cannot work at all. Please look at my finger. This one is called contact screw. This is spring, and this is empty bar. For this touch machine, its contact screw doesn't touch the spring. The power cannot go through the machine, so it cannot work. Now I need to make them touch each other. I'm using an Allen key to loosen the screw and adjust the contact screw. Okay, tighten it, but not completely, because we need to adjust the contact screw slowly and patiently. Well, I think it's fine. And then tighten the screws. Let me have a try. Look, it's working. Okay, next one. Look at this contact screw and the spring. They touch each other, but it still cannot work. Actually, it cannot work properly. Look, I'm pressing the empty bar. The contact screw still touches the spring. So, it cannot work either. Okay, I also need to adjust the contact screw, using an Allen key to loosen the screw too. Adjust it and find the correct contact point for it. Okay, tighten the screw. I think it's okay. Let's give it a try. It's also working. Well, the last one. It's working, however, there are sparks. Sparks happen since the contact screw gives empty bar too much pressure. And I need to make this part shorter to reduce pressure. Also loosen the screw and loosen the contact screw a little bit, just a little bit. Then tighten the screw. Okay, try it again. Look, it has no spikes now. Well, let's make a conclusion. All the touch machines have one thing in common, that when I press down the M2 bar, the space between the contact screw and M2 bar is 2 or 3 millimeters. Otherwise, it cannot work properly. However, when I'm not pressing down M2 bar, they should touch each other. Okay, another tip for you guys. When you unplug the foot pedal or clip cord, please hold the metal part like this. You cannot pull the cable because the connector inside is weak. When you pull the cable, its connector may be broken. Last tip. All coil tattoo machines from Wormhole Tattoo Supply do come with a 6-month warranty. When purchasing a tattoo gun kit or other tattoo products, you can choose Wormhole Tattoo. Search Wormhole Tattoo on Amazon or visit wormholetattoosupply.com. Thank you for watching.